All right, welcome back. Close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Uncross your legs if that feels better. We'll breathe together. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Again, inhale 4, hold 2, exhale 6. Now, in your mind's eye, see a sphere floating right in front of you at heart level. Inside it, black swirling smoke, the leftover, the weight, negative thoughts, tight emotions, old stories. Just notice it, no judgment. On your next inhale, draw in clean white light from above. Bright, clear, steady. Feel it enter through the crown, down the spine, into the chest. As you exhale, send that white light from your heart into the sphere. Watch it push back the black smoke, gently but surely. Breathe like this, slow and even. In 4, white light fills you. Hold for 2, it gathers at your heart. Out for 6 seconds, it flows into the sphere, overtaking the dark. With every breath, the white grows. The black thins and fades and dissolves. If a thought appears, let it be part of the smoke, and breathe it clean. In for 4, receive energy that's fresh and calm. Hold for 2, let it collect. Out for 6, watch the sphere turn pearl white, bright and quiet. Now, the sphere is fully luminous. No residue, no turbulence, just a clear, steady glow. On your next inhale, draw the sphere into your chest, letting it settle behind your breastbone. Feel it charging you for the day. Light spreading through your shoulders, arms, and hands, down the ribs, hips, legs, and feet, up the neck, jaw, eyes, and scalp. Affirm and respond. I release what I don't need. I release. I receive what strengthens me. I receive. I move through today with light. I move with light. One more round together. Inhale for 4, white light in. Hold for 2, getting centered. Exhale 6, radiance out through your whole body. Notice the calm in your belly, the space in your chest, the clarity behind your eyes. When you're ready, rub your hands together, create a little heat, and cup your eyes. Blink them open behind your palms, and let the light back in slowly. You are charged. You are clear. Let's begin. Alright, now let's talk about wu-wei made simple, the farmer's lesson. A new farmer was binge watching hustle videos so that he could learn how to farm better. He hits the field all hyped and tries to force growth. He pulls on the sprouts to make them taller. They don't grow taller. So he doubles the water to speed things up a bit. But he drowns the plants. He learns the hard way. When you fight nature, you lose. You can help growth, but you can't force it. You have to work with the way things grow. What wu-wei means in plain English: wu-wei equals flow, not force. Do the right thing at the right time with no extra strain. It's not do nothing. It's do what fits the moment. Think river moving around rocks. Not stopping, not fighting, gliding around them. One line. Flow beats force. Why does this matter? Busy doesn't equal effective. Louder doesn't equal stronger. More effort doesn't necessarily mean better results. Right move plus right moment equals smoother wins. How do we use wu-wei today? 5 simple rules. Rule 1. Read the season. Ask, is it time to plant, protect, prune, or harvest? Don't harvest in planting season. Don't plant in harvest season. Rule 2. Shrink the move until it flows. If you're pushing hard and it's not moving, make the step smaller. Small plus smooth beats big plus stuck. Rule 3. 1 breath, 1 move. Breathe in 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, breathe out for 6. Then do 1 honest next step. Just 1. Rule 4. Results later, presence now. Focus on doing the step well, not on winning the prize today. Prizes show up when the steps are done. Rule 5. Stop on red, go on green. Red equals lots of tension, confusion, chaos. Green equals clear, calm, obvious. Go. Let's use a school project as an example. You're frustrated, you're tired, you've been working at it for hours, and you've been stuck for what seems like the whole time. What you need to do is stop. Take a step away for 10 minutes. Clear your mind, come back with a fresh view, and start with the smallest step. Don't jump right back into the biggest problem. The smallest problem you can finish is where you need to begin, and then work your way through. Next, let's talk fitness. You can't just go from the couch to a marathon. Take 10 minutes today, repeat it tomorrow. Momentum equals wu-wei. How about parenting and tough talks? Listen to them first, reflect back what you heard, then say one clear thing. Less heat, more connection. The uncarved block is next. We all carry opinions and stories that fog our views. Wu-wei asks us to wipe the glass clean. How? Notice your story. It must go this way. Set the story down. Look again. What's really here right now? Move on. What's true? Not on your story, in your head. A short mantra. Less guessing, more seeing. Now, the farmer's checklist. What to actually do. You have to prepare the soil. Set up. Plant the seeds. Start the process. Protect the sprouts. Steady care. Let nature do nature. Don't overdo or overtry. Harvest on time. Move when it's ready. That's not laziness. That's good timing. Quick practices. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Out for 6. Ask, what season am I in? Plant, protect, prune, or harvest. Name one next move that fits that season. Do just that and stop there. Sticky phrases. Flow first, force last. Right move, right time. One breath, one move. Small plus smooth, or big plus stuck. Less guessing, more seeing. Harvest on time. You don't have to wrestle your life into shape. You can meet it. Read the season. Take the step that fits. Let flow do the heavy lifting. Call and response. I don't need to force. I need to flow. I don't need every step. I need the next step. I move with my season, and my season moves with me. Flow first, force last, harvest on time.